In this video, I'll show you how to fix 0 views on TikTok. Getting 0 views on your TikTok video can be frustrating, especially if you're eager to share your content with the world. But before you rush into the fix issue, it's important to understand why it might be happening. TikTok 0 views could be caused by several factors, and not all of them are within your control. So let's break down the potential reasons and explore some ways to resolve the issue. Sometimes your account might encounter issues that prevent your videos from getting views. This could be due to settings, account restrictions, or other technical glitches. If your content is irrelevant to your audience or violates TikTok's community guidelines, it may not be shown to users, resulting in 0 views. TikTok, like any app, can experience glitches that temporarily prevent your videos from being seen. This might be out of your control, but can usually be resolved with patience. Now, I am going to give you 5 ways to fix the TikTok 0 views issue. 1. Turn off private mode. If your account is set to private, only your followers can see your content. To reach a wider audience, you need to make your account public. Go to your profile and tap the 3-line icon in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy, and then tap Privacy. In the Discoverability section, switch off the private account mode. 2. Relax and be patient. Sometimes the issue might just be a glitch on TikTok's end. If your video is under review, don't panic. TikTok's AI may flag content for review, but it will eventually be checked by a human within 6 to 24 hours. If your content is within guidelines, your views should start coming in after the review process. 3. Resolve technical issues. Accumulated cache or data might slow down the app and cause problems like 0 views. Clearing your cache can help TikTok run more smoothly. Open TikTok and go to your profile. Tap the 3-line icon and choose Settings and Privacy. In the Cache and Cellular section, tap Free Up Space. Then tap Clear to remove the cache. 4. Restart the app or report a problem. If clearing the cache doesn't work, try restarting the app. If the problem persists, report the issue to TikTok for further support. In the Settings and Privacy, tap on Report a Problem and choose Submit a Report, then provide feedback to TikTok. And 5. Follow TikTok's guidelines. Ensure your content follows TikTok's community guidelines. Content that violates these rules will be restricted, leading to 0 views. Commonly restricted content includes acts of aggression and resentment, harassment and bullying, explicit display of mature content, graphic content, or content that doesn't protect underage users. If you suspect your content might be flagged, revise your captions, sounds, and the video text to align with TikTok's guidelines. Getting 0 views on TikTok can be a sign of various underlying issues, but most of it are fixable, whether it's adjusting your account settings, waiting for a review, or ensuring your content follows the rules.